here in the shower room.
Your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 5.
I'm about to take a shower. It's been 2 days I haven't been able to take a shower, and that's the reality in trucking. So it comes with the towels, this one and that one, big towels. And here is my clothes to wear after the shower. Cologne, lotion, deodorant, body wash, shampoo. Yeah. Turn on the fan. Damn, bro, you're gonna kill someone, bro. We're done taking a shower. I'm gonna cook my dinner right now, guys, because I'm hungry. Hey guys, just finished taking a shower. We're in Zinsville, Ohio on 70 westbound. And I take my 10 hours break here. So yeah, we have a delivery this coming Monday in Colorado Springs. I already drove halfway today. I drove 300 miles. Total miles to Colorado Springs is about 1,690 miles. I only drove 300 miles today. Actually, today we already drove about 300 miles, and we still have about 1,400 miles to go to drive from tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, and then our delivery is this coming Monday. Yeah, I got stuck in a heavy traffic back in I forgot the city, but yeah, it was a crash because it was raining hard today, and I didn't see the accident exactly, but it was a crash because it was raining so hard, and other cars and truck was driving too fast, and my CB is starting to act weird, and I can't communicate with the other truckers. But I heard them talking like it must be a crash, a car collided to another truck, so something like that. But I wish I could communicate more. But there's a problem with the wiring about my CB. Anyway guys, this is where I'm gonna take my 10 hours break. We still have a long way to go. The reason why we're going to Colorado is because we have a home time. I'm gonna take some time off for a few days and come back work. Not this week, but the next week. Not really the next week, but probably Saturday or Sunday. But if I don't get a load on Saturday, on the 22nd, maybe Sunday or Monday, most likely. So I'm gonna cook dinner right now, guys. I haven't eaten yet. Again, I like cooking my food, so I'm not gonna buy. I didn't buy groceries anymore because I'm gonna be taking a few days off right in Colorado. I'm gonna stay at my sister's house there, so I'm just gonna go shopping once we're back to work. Once our home time is over, I'm gonna go stop by at the grocery store, Walmart there, and buy some groceries to bring on the road, because right now I only have 2 pork chops left in the fridge, and that's what I'm gonna cook right now. I already cooked rice, and I don't have a name for this dish, but I still have some spinach there in the fridge that I can match it with my pork chop and the rice. So that's what we're gonna do for dinner. I'm lucky that I found a spot here when I got here, because the truck stop is almost full here, right here, and a good spot. I just decided to just park now because I'm just so tired, and I would worry about the parking, so at least right now we didn't have to worry much because we already parked. I'm just gonna get up early tomorrow so we can start early, we can start heading out early, and so we can get to Colorado this coming Sunday or Monday early in the morning, because our delivery is Monday from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. So tomorrow I plan to park somewhere in Kingdom, maybe somewhere in Missouri, maybe at the Petro, or I don't know exactly, but yeah, we will be parked somewhere in Missouri tomorrow, but I don't know yet where, because I'm gonna play it by. So the truth about trucking is we do not take a shower every single day. Why is that, guys? Because here on the road as a truck driver, there are days that we wake up early in the morning to pick up a load, and then we deliver the load. Let's say, for example, the dispatch give you a load for 600 miles, right? The 600 miles, that's about, let's say, 500 miles. You pick up a load in the morning at 7 a.m. and you have to deliver that at the end of the day. So it's because it's a tight schedule. You do not have time really to, like, take a shower, go in line to take a shower, because sometimes when you go to a truck stop and you try to book a shower, there is a line, and the line could be like 1 hour, 2 hours. So because your hours is running, sometimes you just want to go straight all the way to your delivery so that you can make your delivery on time. Not just that, also we have what we call DOT hours, or hours of service. We can only drive a minimum of 10 hours or 11 hours a day. If you drive over that, it can be a violation. It could go in your record, and it could lose your license. So that is why when you end up in a situation where you're stuck at the shipper, just for example, or at your delivery, let's say you get stuck there for 14 hours, just like last time I got stuck for what, 11 hours? And then I was stuck there. There's no shower at the receiver's office. There's no shower at the pickup location, at the receiving location. There's no shower. So instead of, if you get loaded early or you get unloaded early at the delivery, then you will have time to, you know, go to the truck stop and take a shower. But that's the reality in trucking. We don't take a shower every day, although if we wanted to, you know, like me, as much as possible I want to take a shower every day. But just like me, in the past few days I've been very busy. I had to run back and forth from where is it, from Maryland to Nazareth, PA. I did it for 2 days, and in route there is no truck stop shower, so I just gotta use wipes. And just today I just took a shower. So yeah, we don't take a shower every day, unfortunately, because again, that's the situation sometimes. I'm sure if you're a truck driver out there, you agree with me, right? So here we go, guys. My window is now open here and there. So just gonna cook it fast. I'm just gonna use an olive oil right here. It's gonna smell, I know. So it's olive oil. And yeah. It is splashing. Is that how you call it? The splattering or splashing? The oil. So I'm gonna put this steak seasoning here. There. Our dinner, guys. I like olive oil on my rice, put a little bit, and then a spinach. This Italian dressing. Now let's have the first bite. The pork is really tender and juicy. You see? Right? I just shipped $20 today.